morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Monday, May 24th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Beginning today, all in-person students can begin returning their Chromebooks. Please bring your Chromebook, Chromebook case, and charger to school to turn in either today or tomorrow. If you checked out a hotspot, be sure to turn that in as well as the charger. Full distance learning students will be able to begin turning in their Chromebooks on Wednesday morning. The final day to turn in your Chromebook will be on the last day of school, Thursday, May 27th by 4 o'clock. Any Chromebook that is not turned in after that day will be charged a fine. Directions will be sent home regarding how to access Zoom from a tablet or smartphone. If you have any questions, please contact our office. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla shoutouts. Remember, each week teachers will be sending a shout out to students that are showing their cause for a specific expectation. Our final focus for the year was achieve your goals by completing year-long work in Lexia, Freckle, or other online programs. Remember, prizes can be picked up in the Palla office for full distance learning students, and in-person students will receive their award from their teacher. Here are the students from each class that earned an award. Our Bulldog shout-outs. The focus, achieve your goals with year-long completion on programs such as Lexia, Freckle, and other online applications. TK shout-outs for year-long awesomeness. Kindergarten shout-outs for app completion. First grade shout-outs, app completion all year long. Second grade students with year-long app completion. Great job. Third grade year-long app completion. Great work. Fourth grade shout-outs for year-long app completion. Great job on completing your work on Freckle and Lexia. And finally, our fifth grade shout-outs for year-long app completion. Awesome job to all of our students. This week, we will have our special PTA raffle. All of the teachers have done a great job with collecting items to create amazing prize baskets. The last day to purchase raffle tickets is this Wednesday. The drawing will occur on Thursday morning at 8 o'clock on our Palla YouTube live channel. Good luck. We still have a few yearbooks remaining to sell. The cost is $20. We don't have that many extra, so be sure to stop by the office as soon as possible before we run out. Report cards will be available for viewing in Parent Portal on Thursday. Here are the directions for how you can see your report card online.
Today I'm going to be talking to you about report cards in Parent Portal and how you can view it through your app. So you'll first log into your Parent Portal app on your device, and when you log in, you will go to the bottom right corner where you see the three dots and select the More option. From there, you will select the option that says Full Portal. This will take you to the online option of Parent Portal. And then you'll go to the top left corner where the three lines are. That's a menu option, and you will select that option. From there, you will select where it says Grades, and then a menu of options will pop up down below, and you will select Standards-Based Report Card. When you first go into it, this is exactly what the report card, all the different items that will be on it. So this is the report card in an online form, but if you want to view it how it looks when we regularly send it home, you can select the print icon. And if you don't have a printer at home, that's okay. You can still view it this way without having a printer. And so it will just take a couple seconds, and then a pop-up window will show, and you will select View Report. And then from there, you'll be able to view the report card. And if you scroll down to the next page, then you'll be able to see the comments page. So once again, after selecting the view report, you can view the report card as it normally appears. You can also choose to save this as a screenshot on your device, or you can also print it out at home if you do have a printer. Now this is what it looks like. It's very similar, but if you're on a laptop instead of a phone or iPad, you will log in once again, and then you can select the options on the side will be your menu options, and you will select grades. And then from there, you will select standards-based report card. And then once again, this is what it shows in the an actual parent portal right now, and you can read the comments as well as see the grades. And then the option once again is you can click on the print icon, and then this is what it would look like on your computer. And you have the option to print it or just view it this way. And so I hope this has been helpful for you to be able to find out how to view your child's report card through Aries Parent Portal.
We would like to recognize one of our amazing 5th grade students who created a great video about recycling and protecting our environment. Jocelyn Rubio participated in and won $200 in the Wilbur Ellis Contest. Let's take a look at her video.
Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Rubio. I'm 10 years old and daughter of Wilbur Ellis employee Rochelle Munoz. Here's what I'm doing to help protect the environment and how you can too. 1. I recycle. Before going to the recycling center, I make sure to separate plastic bottles and aluminum cans. You even get a little something for helping the environment, which can always motivate you or little ones to recycle. My family and I also recycle boxes. We put them in the blue recycling bin, and we also save boxes to use as gift boxes for Christmas. Number 2, I like to ride my bike. I especially enjoy going on bike rides with my uncle. Number 3, I like walking home from school, and I don't mind hopping on the bus to go to the store with my family. Not only am I exercising, but I'm also protecting the environment because my family and I are driving less and using less fuel. And there you have it, what I'm doing to protect the environment and how you can too. Thank you, Wilbur Ellis, for this opportunity.
This week, all grade levels will be having their virtual awards assemblies. Details about when to pick up your awards are described in each of the awards assemblies videos. Great job to all of our students that earned an award for the 3rd trimester. On the last day of school, between 8 o'clock to 10:45, many of our grade levels will be out in front of the school to wish farewell to all of their students. Students will have the chance to say goodbye and take photos with their teachers. Additionally, if you have not yet turned in your Chromebook, you can do so at this time. Be sure to ask your teacher when they will be participating. We look forward to saying goodbye to all of our Bulldog students. Just a reminder that both Wednesday and Thursday are distance learning minimum days. Students will not attend in-person school on these days, but instead participate in class virtually. Be sure to take a look at the flyer for details to access your teacher's Zoom classes. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Parent Square. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive summer. See you next year.